Hi, I'm Mrs. Lamb, and I teach 7th grade math and advanced studies here at Summit Lakes. And I'm making this video for my online class. So if you're in my online class, this one is for you. I'm married and I live in the Raintree area. My husband and I have lived here about 30 years, I would say. And we have 3 children that all went through Summit Lakes themselves. I have my oldest son and my youngest daughter both had babies this summer, so I'm a grandma. Grant and Josie, I got a grandson and a granddaughter. And then my middle son lives in the Lee Summit area also, so I'm lucky. We love to do family activities and get together. My husband and I like to travel. We didn't get to do too much of that this summer, but we did go to the lake, and I caught a nice fish while I was there, a little catfish. We've been enjoying loving on our grandbabies. We made, like I said, a small trip, and in my free time I like to read. So I'm an avid reader. If you guys know of any great books that you finish and would like to give me a recommendation, I would just love to hear from you. Always looking for a good book. So this year your online experience is going to be mostly at your own pace. You can work through it. I will have due dates that are posted each day in Schoology, so I'll have another little video that kind of shows you how we go through Schoology to follow along. And then during your hour, which should be 4th hour each day, I will be on a Google Meet for help. So you don't have to come there, but if you have questions, you can just hop on, say, hey, Mrs. Lamb, I've got a question for you, or shoot me an email and I'll be glad to answer those. So I look forward to getting into this year and getting to meet you maybe after January. So have a great day, guys.